Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can easily enable crossfade in your Spotify application on your mobile device. Now, this will allow you to a smooth transition between songs in between playlists. Now, it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. First thing that you want to do is open up your Spotify application, head down to the top left corner where your profile picture appears, open up settings and privacy, and here we go into the playback option, the fourth option. Now in the playback option, we see the crossfade option. Now here, I would recommend to set this around 3 to 4 seconds for a smooth transition. Really depends on your music. You should try this out and play around with it. Now here we have the gapless playback. What this allows is whenever there's silence in between songs, it skips this and it goes really gapless in a really nice smooth transition. Also turn on the auto mixer so that the playlist will automatically mix in between BPMs and better transitions, for example. Now the crossfade also when you do it at 3 or 4 seconds, it allows the last 3 seconds of the song and the first 3 seconds of the next song to be smoothly transitioned. Now it's easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.